This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, boy, yesterday was a big fail. But today, we got one from Japan, from an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. And this is Soup de pasta. Soup spaghetti type. It's got tamago. It's Cod Roe. Fish egg. Don't go hide under your Afghan just yet. This stuff usually is pretty dang good, if I do say so myself. So this is the pasta. Yeah. We got some folks in the Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider group, who are very, very particular about what is in there, let me tell you. Which is fine, just fine. But I'm pretty sure it's going to come to blows pretty soon. People are getting ticked. But there we go. And we put a lid on it, and I believe this is 4 minutes. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So I just informed my wife that we've got to go to 99 Ranch. Because I have to make this right. I have to. I can't go with this Sprite noodle that I tried to do yesterday. So this is a Chinese variety I tried to cook up yesterday that I made it as a soup, and it's not a soup. It's a dry noodle, right? So it happens. Anyways, it's been a long time though. I want to say it's been years since I've done that. But anyways, let's look at another quote from the man, the legend, Momofuku Ando, the guy who invented the instant noodle. I'm reading out of the book, Momofuku Ando Speaks. Number 14. Even a magnificent 2,000-year-old beech tree grew out of bird droppings. I like that. Yeah. So, let's see what else is going on. Yeah, I'm doing a lot more intros and outros for the show. That's been a lot of fun. Did a couple new ones this morning that came out pretty good. Trying to get more creative with them, make them a little bit more interesting, and yeah, that's an enjoyable endeavor of mine. Yeah, it's looking crummy outside. I thought it was supposed to be nice today. It's probably just gonna end up being really humid, which I don't care for extreme humidity. It's just not my thing. I think that's man, I wish I was honestly thinking I'll get one of those cups and I'll have an extra one. Should have done it. Because I could have redone that episode. But I'll do it. I'll get it. If I'm lucky, she'll drive me over there tonight. And I can get it. She's probably going to be like, you really want me to drive you over to get a stupid cup of noodles on a Monday evening? Anyway. Okay, never mind. Have the kids ready. She's awesome. She'd probably do it, but I'm not gonna beg for that. It's all good. I just don't know how much reviewing I'm gonna be able to get. I think it's gonna work out. I hope it's gonna work out. It might get down to I do one review a day. I am way the heck ahead. If I did, I think I could probably get away with, I'm like 113 reviews ahead. The only thing I'm not that far ahead in are episodes of this show. So I think I'm almost, I'm like 2/3 of a month ahead on this show. As far as review posts themselves, I'm way ahead. But I like having new info or new material coming out to you guys every day, and yeah. Got some weird chips if you want to look at that. I believe these are from Taiwan. Spicy crayfish flavor. They're already starting to get stuff in for the Mid-Autumn Festival at the local large Asian groceries. I tell you, that I miss, and I'm gonna have to miss it this year. I really loved going up to Canada and going to all the really big Asian grocery stores and seeing all the neat stuff out. Oh, it was so cool. Mid-Autumn Festival is like one of my favorite times a year, and now it's like COVID thrashed. In fact, I just heard that from somebody who's obviously in Canada that the import of instant noodles and stuff has been really, really slim up there since COVID started. Like, what? Really? That's no good. Oh, wow. I just dumped a whole sachet in there, and I think that whole sachet was just fish eggs. And we got this one. Let's put this in. I'm guessing this is a creamy sauce. Stirring it up. Come on. Appear, fish eggs, appear. Show yourselves, fish eggs. Let's give it a try. Very chowder-like. Let's try the pasta. It's like a seafood chowder. I like that very much. And it's low-cal to boot. To boot! Let's make it so you can see what's going on. I might just have to do another one today, just due to the fact that that one failed so much. I think don't really need egg on that. Because I know the next one I want to make sure. I think I'll use almost all this in the next one. I won't use the cucumber. This is delightful. Very much so. A little bit of And I think I'll go with a little bit of Earl. Yeah, let's do some just straight up chili oil. Not the chili oil with chili in it. There we have it. We'll do a rotato. I'll take some shots, and I'm gonna do another one today. This will be a four off day. Here we go. Well, yeah, this is a good one. Yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles every day or instant pasta. Have a good one. Bye-bye.